What's up guys, welcome back to KUALA Honest Guide. My name is Razif and today I'm going to show you something very interesting. This is the close-up filter from Beastgrip. Let's take a closer look of this lens, then I'm going to explain to you what this close-up filter really does. So this is the Beastgrip Pro Series close-up filter lens. So what does this close-up filter lens does is when you attach it on a particular lens, it enhances the image by creating a nice, more blurry background from separating the subject from the background. So basically your minimum focus distance is shortened. Without using the lens, you might have to stand a bit distance. While using this filter, you can come much more closer to the subject. Now for the lenses that I'm about to show you, which I'm going to use with this filter, I have to use this step-up ring here because the lenses have a 58mm thread. So by attaching this step-up ring on this close-up filter lens here, just like this. After attaching this, I'm going to attach these two on the lens that I'm going to show you next. Alright, now let's test this filter on a telephoto lens and see what kind of results we're going to get. I'm using the Freewell 1.7x telephoto lens. Want to check out the review for this lens? It's on the description below. So this is 58 and this is 58. So just attach it like that. And now you have the close-up filter on your 1.7x telephoto lens. And this is the shots you get. Now, without using the filter, I'm actually standing quite a distance, about 12 inches away from the model here. You can see a nice separation background there. Everything is good. Now, when I attach the filter on the lens, I'm actually standing much more closer while getting a nice background blur like that. This is another example here. Without the filter, you can see everything is nice. You got a nice decent looking background blur with the model. This one is with the filter. You can see how nice the separation between the subject, in this case the model, and the background. Now this is the picture of the flower here. I'm actually standing quite a distance without using the filter here. Everything is nice, the flower is clear, the background blur is quite decent. Now with the filter, you can see that I'm much more closer without compromising the quality of the flower here. This is the side by side. See how much difference the minimum focus distance changes when using the filter and without. So it's not only the telephoto lens that you have, you can also attach this filter, this close-up filter, on your anamorphic lens. So let's see the results. Now in this case, I have the Freewell 1.33x neutral anamorphic lens. Again, review for this on the description below. This is a fantastic anamorphic lens. Now this close-up filter with the step-up ring attached, 58mm thread here, and just attach it like that. And now you have your anamorphic lens attached together with the Beastgrip close-up filter, and this is the shot you get. Now this filter works well with your lenses and also works well with your gimbal here, especially a hybrid gimbal like this, which can support a heavier setup. Now this is what it looks like, and you have to attach it like this. So you can see that it has to be at the middle axis here. So this is what it looks like. So that's it guys for today's review episode. Now if you think that this filter is going to be really helpful for your short film, your any other production projects, I'll put the link on this filter on the description below. Check them out. Now, if you like what you have seen, please hit the subscribe button and also the thumbs up button. It's going to be really helpful for me. I'll be testing out this filter more because it's really interesting what Beastgrip have just come up with. Now, basically, it's going to enhance your telephoto lens and also your anamorphic lens. So this is going to be really interesting. That's it, guys, for today's episode. My name is Razif. This is KUALA Honest Guide. See you in the next one. Stay curious, my friends.